Mike's advocacy service provides practical and emotional support really for young people.
A 24-hour-a-day, 7-day-a-week service, always there, always ready to give advice when young people are meeting obstacles in their lives, when they're being frustrated about the way forward, when they just don't know where to turn.
It's really useful because a wide variety of people can use it, because if people haven't got internet or haven't got a phone or whatever, then a wide variety of people can use it. It's easily accessible.
I've seen some changes in my lifetime, and really for young people now there are so many complications that really didn't exist for us. I mean, there were always problems, but now it seems to be that there's so much confusion, so much complication, and in a lot of cases it might just need someone to speak to, or a small amount of advice to enable that young person to actually progress and enjoy their lives.
Meic is confidential. Meic is not going to judge you. It's going to listen and provide advice and signpost you to people who can help.
You need a range of kind of outlets for different types of young people with different levels of confidence to make the approach and to give them the bridge to resolving the difficulties that they're facing. Meic is really about being that place where they can call and somebody should be able to support them in around the issues that concern them.
We've had 4,000 contacts with Wales's young people so far. There is no limit to the number of subjects that Meic can talk to you about.
Any of the issues that might affect young people nowadays, be it emotional issues, family problems, drugs, alcohol, anything that might affect young people, and it will provide practical and emotional support for them on that basis.
I think it's important because young people will have their own opinions, and a lot of decisions affect young people as well. Children have a different perspective of things from adults, so it can help with a lot of decisions and they can come up with some good ideas.
It's something that's only on offer in Wales, and we're very proud of it.